Welcome to Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds that I was able to get on Run Deals this week. Make sure you're tuning in weekly because I always have something new in store for you. Alright, so I love to cook, and when I cook, I do have leftovers for lunch the next day. So I was able to find this awesome deal right on Run Deals. Check this out. Rubbermaid. Yes, Rubbermaid. You're going to get the deal. I'm going to show you how. Alright, everyone. Let's go ahead and get into this Rubbermaid. Yes, you can purchase this and have it on a discounted price. All you need to do is go on Run Deals and get the code. So as you can see, I'll show you what it has. A lot of durable container sets. I love the click on lids. Making sure it's nice and fresh and secure. Here are the tops. There's the size as well. And we also have the big container with that top. Looking good to me. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is what you can see. It has two of the small containers. You can put like a fruit or a sauce. It has a more medium container. Loving the lids. Bigger container, two of these, and then one giant container for like a casserole, which is cool. I have some leftover pasta, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this in and show you what it looks like. Alright, so I have my container, I have my leftovers. Go ahead, put that salmon, shrimp pasta right in the dish. Scrape it, scrape it, scrape it. Looks yummy. Got the secure lid top. Press down. Love that it's clear. Check that out. I'm going to love this Rubbermaid Tupperware set. Cool. You never know what you're going to find on Run Deals. Make sure you're downloading that app and also following Run Deals on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Why wouldn't you do it?